In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp checklist. Checklists are a simple but powerful way to break a task into smaller, actionable pieces. Instead of keeping everything in your head, you can list out each step, assign responsibility when needed, and track progress as the work gets done. This is especially useful for repeatable processes, shared tasks, or anything that has multiple parts. To get started, open the ClickUp task where you want to create the checklist. This should be the specific task that needs a clear list of action items. Starting inside the correct task is important, because the checklist will live directly within that task and help organize the work associated with it. Once you're inside the task, scroll down until you find the checklist section. When you see the option that says Create Checklist, click it. If you're not seeing it right away, just take a moment to look through the task details area carefully. Depending on your layout or screen size, it may appear a little further down. Next, enter a name for the checklist. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can quickly recognize what the checklist is for. A good name helps keep tasks organized, especially if you end up adding more than one checklist to the same task later on. After naming the checklist, enter your first checklist item and press enter. This creates the first actionable step in your list. Try to keep each item short and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. From there, continue adding each checklist item, pressing enter after each one. This is where you build out the full sequence of actions you want to track. If you're planning a process, it often helps to enter items in the order they should be completed. That makes the checklist easier to follow and more useful during execution. If needed, you can also assign an individual checklist item by clicking the assignee icon beside that item. This is helpful when multiple people are involved and you want everyone to know exactly what they are responsible for. Assigning items at the checklist level can make collaboration much clearer without needing to create separate tasks for every small action. As work gets completed, click the checkbox beside each item to mark it done. This gives you a quick visual sense of progress and helps ensure nothing gets missed. It also makes the task feel more manageable, since you can see each completed step as you move forward. And that's how to create a ClickUp checklist. Thanks for watching.